Odiative wese na kwachiro makuru agacenshire hamazina Mbabazi Charity herizo banoro wa katano ebrono mnana byo kwa katano 2026 kandi shahane ibiri nja kwisia hamakuraga bitkambanze njene bijamto hinjaga kana makuru agacenshire ombwijire
emitwe y'amakuru ne kushikibwaho blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Gacenshire kireki Entebe kanisa zo kwija kurahira kwa mkuru w'ihanga nizihinda haca ikololo Kampala. JB Kazoora ruranganwa wo kweshongora ebyeshongoro by'abanyakaturiki yazi ko muri banda
twena ntutwamanyeje Kazoora yagena kahi omwiguru
akagomur kabohe makanika yatomerwa yaferaho omurishema
Musigazi ya brother wanje ku rugisinjiro
emitwe y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho
blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Mbabazi Charity agana makuru agacenshire ombwijire akagwe kagwera abashobozi bakaboherizo babwanyuma y'imotoka kutera makanika owaba navuga pichipichi akafera omnyamakuru witu ayinebiro kuchiraho
Butandezi yabo mu rukabohe shema bitijeho bwanyuma ya motoka yekika cha Rahum namba UAN rushanja 53R yabanevugwo mu ntakamanyurwe niyo yatomera makanika wamanywa katindi yabwa Savio inzarwa ya Kabuyandi Sinjiro district atyo kaferaho obuyabanagezaho kutaho mu ruguto akatarekenya maka kagango ahansi ya za kamera za polisi wabanocika mashtebe chikuru cha polisi
na nikaha chapa cha polisi mushema akabenje ntoyikabera ha kamera motoke kamutere motoka ya Rahum kamutera kazo mwanya umusigazo gwa boda kagwa wenyo polisi chinku chishapa nishabanka nangwa nka harfurati nhenda hampsi ninga hazo haba traffic abinenke byoma nangwa abantu bagume bagendeje umbuteka
Musigazi ya brother wanje ku rugisinjiro yariyo wa antu wanje abere makanika ho murkaho so umukasheshe baba mutwara umfield ku kandi kipichi pia banargayo bamukora kibamukora
abashubuzi bagamba umwanya wo kugubira kituro kabantu ahabwaza butanda zitarukoshaho
abantu ba motoka kurigitendero kikakabwo hagati ya market sera aho hari ikikomera abantu be motoka nibirukaho munonga no wahikabona piki akurumba especially harga bwankenjura umuntu wa motoka na kurumba ayiruka speed nana ayiruka yakwekanga bayakutomira
sabaga kumbe nabukiri kukwataho kabuho mutanghenyere kuza kikaga gango batero amsabwa batateriro amsimotoka n'ibitendero ihinda kabuhe eize rya saketi haro amsleg mwera batateriro ams bazakumara abantu
nabwayimo mbirwo mugezi gwatwarwa hirwaro rya Kabohe center yakana kucheberwa rero motoka na boda boda byatwarwa hari Shema Central Police Station Kabohe gashoka mai kwatwachiri
Omjenzi mkama mhumze ombusinje omwishongozi w'ebyeshongoro by'edini y'abanyakaturiki John Bosco Kazoora herizoba yahumuzibwa omuje y'obuturo muri Kabagoma ibanda ekitambo kya misa kyayebemberwa Vicar General Severus Ndugwa owajwekera Archbishop Lambert Beinomugisha
Enkuyanja y'abantu kurgo mu district y'Ibanda na heru yayo bayishwa hakashozi ka Kabagomo muri Ibanda okutererya hamuhero barukuzika JB Kazoora owaranginwa mu kweshongora ebyeshongoro by'edini nkaturuka Ekitambo kya misa kyayebemberwa Vicar General Severus Ndugwa owajwekera Archbishop wambarra Lambert Beinomugisha kandi ogu yasima omugenzi Kazoora habwo kushikiriza ekiroto kye nubwo arabe yabira tashomere
Chamuzibire n'ekiroto kye ky'okweshongora akeshongora omuri mbaro omuri ngoro omu akeshongora omuri Uganda omu akaza n'aheera omahanga agandi akeshongora ahabw'okuba akaba nagira ekiroto ekyo kandi yakikuratira tarayegwire masiko nyuma naho mutakayiho masiko obuzire bwanyu bagireho kandi bwija kugumaho kandi bwija kubaho.
Omugenzi JB Kazoora akazarwa mu mwaka gwa 1962 kandi ahaferire abiraine emyaka 64.
Why die after wedding with his wife? Why die at this moment when most of his songs have not been published? Why at this younger age? 64 is a young age. Abakuna twasanga ngumu agakuze konka mu mahanga kandi kunde kantsana myaka 8 n'uko njanigo. So Kazoora abataka kuzire kandi nabweta n'umuntu ndangwa akure afe ningashira umuto akabasa kufa. Nabecho nitwe guza ebyo abantu guza sakayiho masolidaridade.
Omulyecho nsima ekelezia okuhereza Kazoora omugisha gw'okwereka etaranta ye kandi Kazoora ntumusiima okuhemba etabaza kandi akabura kugifundikira ekiibo.
JB Kazoora akafaho izuba ryo kubanza bwa nyuma y'esabiti emwe atungira isakaramento eryo bushero burukwera. Okurugerera mu kazi w'omugenzi ayisirwa burwire bwa shukari.
Dr. Iza amutuma shukari amushwija asanga shukari eri yahikuru munonga akaba yasubire taragarikire kugamba akamutwara je nizima mukama amutwira yezire amutwira tungira ishakaramento ya mantu mona tungira Yesu abadaka sisabira kibyaha ayenda
kandi wabaje shukari yatemba then toinoha tindinye ngati nikubaje otekera rikirira hati tuzo mu mbozi zitu omumbozi zitwagambire zimwe zikazi zo kutandika kombeka ezindi preparation ya Thanksgiving yeye akugira ekelezia nenda kumwebaza byakolire ekelezia.
Abana b'omugenzi bayoreka ngwishebo abiraine ekiteekateeko ky'okutandikaho ekibiina ky'okweshongora kandi bashaba Vika General okusya obutumwa hari Archbishop.
Foundation ejo mbageta Joboka Tram Music Foundation. Joboka for John Bosco Kazoora. Joboka Tram is for Tumukunde, Tukundane, Robert Anthony Musekura. So ejo nekola 3 co-founders ba ejo NGO.
Ahabwo kugira ngo Kazoora kagarukira mu kibiina cya kashatu kandi yataho buryo kushomesa abana abebembezi bashaba bikiriza okumuhindura mu cyo kureberaho.
Twena ntutwamanyeje ngo Kazoora yajenagahi omwiguru ekiramwegaho Kazoora abralyo mweshongozi konka tarashomere byingi kuri yashomere nk'ebyakatungwezi tukweta abirataza no kufera mu Uganda
arabatakunda kuzakereza kushoma konka bakunda music bahura music ya Kazoora ni uruwasho ekereza ngenda kugisima munonga kugira ngo ugende wekereza kuyafa kandi komba tansibona baza hapa.
Bwa nyuma y'ekitambo kya misa omubiri gwa JB Kazoora gwahumuzi bwo mu nju ye ey'obutura. JB Kazoora naija kuguma naijukwa habwe byeshongoro byokuhimbisa no kwecyaka ebirukukoresebwa mu makanisa gona na munongo mu za misa z'abanyakaturiki. Gasha kwa Timothy Mushabe.
Omugenzi mukama muhumze ombusenje enteekateeka z'okurahira kw'omwebembezi ow'ihanga General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ez'omurundi ogw'amushanju zatandika kukamu omwonyo obw'abebe kwerinda barikworeka obukoryo barikwija kukozesa ah'izooba ery'okurahira obw'ezebembirwe CDF General Muhoozi kandi yashaba abasirikare okugira emicwe ah'izooba eryo.
Erizoba nwe CDF General Muhoozi Kinorugaba yaikachishayi kya kororo kubasa kubana harambura ebyo kwerinda kubyemerire akishayi eki awe mukoro yo kurahiriza mukuru w'ihanga erakorerwe. Ogu yabanza no kureba obukodyo obwo abasirikare barayoreke akiro kya mukuru w'ihanga yaba narahira arwa kabiri obwo abasirikare batari bamwe na bamwe barayetabemu. Abayongera no kwereka ihango kuryemeriro mu byo kwerinda ebyo mu mwanya barikwejunusa enyonyi endwani ezabasa okutamburira omu mwanya kandi bayorekana zimwe ambundu n'emotoka endwani. Ori omudumizi w'ihe rya Uganda General Kinerugaba yashaba yo kwerinda bona okugira emicwe ayizooba eri mukuru w'ihanga arabe narahira.
Your timing precise and your spirit unwavering. Let's not have cases of people beginning to collapse. That is like I saw in Kabale. For Tarehe Sita, 1 or 2 were not strong enough. Let's not have that on Tuesday. Through discipline, teamwork, and attention to detail. The people who will witness the ceremony must see a force that is confident, organized, and proud to serve its nation. Remember that you are the ambassadors of patriotism and national unity.
CDF Muhoozi yayongera yasima obona abetabire omuntebe kanseji.
Your conduct on the parade square will inspire confidence in our security institutions and honor the sacrifices of those who came before us. Remain focused, support one another, and maintain the highest standards until the final salute is rendered on Tuesday after the parade. Liberation Parade be remembered for its excellence, dignity, and professionalism. I have full confidence in your ability to deliver a ceremony worthy of our great armed forces and our great country, Uganda.
Omwebembezi w'ihanga narahiza obwo rwa kabiri orw'esabiti erikwija 2012 by'okwezi oku. Amakuru aga gashakwa Jime Muhumuza.
webere Jimmy Mhumza omuri Kampala ayo byokwerinda mu district ya Kikube barukora habirajiro bya RDC wa Kikube Godwin Angalia bakwate motoka z'amakara agarukuteekateekwaho okubagabanugarga omu kibira ekya Bugoma ekino kibaho hatakahwireho n'okwezi abantu ababiri nibaruga omu kibira nico kimwe barohamira omu mugyera ogwa Nguse.
Emotoka z'amakara zakwatwa byokwerinda aha biragiro bya RDC wa Kikube Godwin Angalia omuyezi haba harimu enamba ya UAN 812J hamwe na UBP 562T. Emotoka ezi Angalia zishangaziyo mu kyaro kya Burimwa omu rurembo rwa Hoima ngo kuziteekateeka okuba zaaba niziiha amakara omu kibira kya Bugoma aho abarukose amakara bahereze kurohamu omu mugyera gwa Nguse barukuruga omu kibira nico kimwe.
Munyafuna intelligence ntaro motoka zikulibata zikwika motoka mukaga zikulibata na makara zindikiraira ati twayebaganiza DPC na bagenzi baye bandi bali mu muhanda gwa Kabale ati nyonya aba mu Seruka na abo officers bandi kororanti motoka ezo zirabo bete muri ezo motoka ni so nkwenda turole eni motoka etikireki makara bichori.
Angalia yagamba ngo ekibira kya Bugoma government neza kukikwasa ba Uganda Wildlife Authority nyenkyakala rwa mukaga.
But in this security committee kasaba one Minister of Land zeje opening empenda kandi byare pillars byaka. Two twasaba ekibira ekyo kibe now under one. So it happened that President Yoweri Museveni akahandikira Prime Minister ya directive officiating and olwa yakibira Bugoma kigaruke makuwa
yahabara abantu kwihaya amasiko kugaruka kweyibirira bakaza mu kibira eki ahabo kuba ragezeho amagara gagasibure
because tukwetaga umuntu wena kutema kibira kandi operations zigenda kulibata na mataitu jagaihamu tulibate kwata muntu wena ina makara kandi muntu wena kutema kibira.
Omugandi kanso ya Kanungu yarabe mwembalirira ya budget y'omwaka 2026 ya billioni 62 omukiiko rw'okuhendera n'okusibura abebembezi b'enchero y'obwebembezi bwa kanso ya Kanungu ahawe emyaka 5 hwire. Bakansala bagira ngo embalirira gye yahinguzibwa neija kuterezebwamu n'okuteebwa mu nkola.
I start second Honorable Wagawa Jazera that we pass this budget with amendments.
Okurugira abebembezi kanso egi yahindira gye kandi bashemerirwe ahabwo bwebembezi obutorinwe oburukuza kwebembera district ya Kanungu.
And I want to say that please don't forget to be with us. We are part of you and we are part of the district. We are committed to be consulted whenever need arises.
Nesima kanso yanjye kushanga ngo abantu abengi bakansaraze okwehayo kugira ngo bahagire kansara mugenzi wabo yakarura kawire kibizige ikintu cyangwa kandi kikuru muno ecyo kubanza ni kireta continue guteninga okugumizamo ko kugira leadership insya azo kashanga bamwe batarukutebana umugejo vision yo kugumizamo no buhereza burungi benda kureta ibintu bisa byingi aza bitume bindi bintu bimwe byafu ebyo kubese ko kutamza abantu bitomesho so okureba ngo Honorable Francis Byamukama Kapesha oronzirwe kuba chairman umusya ahabwe cyasheke 2026 otwire emyaka 5 ari minister mu government yanjye wahabwe byenkuto amazing ebizimbe n'ebindi byona wa works nikimayisa bona etegereza kurungi munonga aho turukize.
Byamukama Francis Kapesha obire nakoranka mukuru w'akakiiko ka Works and Technical Services aha kanso egi obwa hatanaza kungurira engineer Sam Kajojo obi yari chairman we.
But as already said by the outgoing chair, it's just a continuity because I've been part of this council for the I thank you, honorable councillors, for the commitment, sacrifices, debates and decisions you have made during your renewal.
Gasha kwa Nwagaba Ambrose Katoto na Hweza Wilfred.
Webare Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto na Hweza Wilfred ntwisha kugarka yahandire katumure.
Move it all day toothpaste meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal.
Agarukurataho orukutekatekwa okumwana empitirizo atirwa harimanda umurimutoma.
Agarukurataho gabanaga kushikibwaho. Move it all day toothpaste meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazoora Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazoora Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazoora Red Tonic and Kazoora Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazoora Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazoora Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MBCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Manager, Ogito Wagito, Kokamato Chidara, Kabataka Jiremu, MC Takiziri. DJ atumna na wearing ebyoma tugumisize shankibiri
bantu mareka turgomuzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngu okushara keke ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo ni shara keke tukaza kunyumba na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanyuire mbogo nikushecherera nikuteganisa wenda nigende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
Bagen Nursery and Primary School ishomero ryadenda boarding ahabwa bojo nabishiki hato mu myaka 5 abeji bitu basinjire bigeza higuru munonga nitutungure talanta zabeji omusoka academy yitu harimo ba coach abomutindo manye no mupira kina bari kutwepimamo otebirwe music dance and drama nebindi Bagen emico n'edini byona nitubifaho evina no buraro byona nibyo mutindo kandi nibihango abana tibari kufundirerwa ibyo kwerinda birya higuru Share nibibasukira bazire emitwaro 55 ahabwa boarding okwandika beje hati ni kugenda omisho Bagen Nursery and Primary School yantonde hometown esimu note mushanje note 3 kinana nemwe chenda neina note emwe Otwiro inechetengo echokushomo bushaho St. Vincent College of Health Sciences Mbarara nibeta beje baheriza senior ya kanana senior ya mukaga abahikira amashomo ga science okwija kushomo bushaho ishomero ryina bashomesa abatendekirweje kandi ryina buri kimwe cyone kiri kwetagiso kushomaje nirishangwa Mbarara kora no rya Kenkombe Hill rwemijina hino ruguto rwambarara Masaka ebiri kukiraho note mushanju munana mushanju note mushanju note ibiri anane 3 ninga note mushanju note emwe 9 na mukaga 11 25
ebyo kwomeka byongera koroba kankwanjulire ankole crazy limited abara kubumbira byo kwombekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ebindi bingi kandi byo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalole tiles Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo lero bakwinira amatafari ga buli mulingo nka fire bricks max pans interlocking bricks otebwe partitioning blocks obumoli buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent Torino Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii Malta double Pompeii mwena bombeche na ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri mbarara omwibumbe rishugeine barakoza technology rispiria echora byombechesi changale nka bendera ya Uganda bashangali mayiro 8 mbarara kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga ankole crazy limited tujende twombeke.
Are you passionate about farming? Do you want to turn your land into a successful and profitable venture? Then your journey begins at Chitagata Farm Institute. At Chitagata Farm Institute, we offer practical, hands-on training in modern agriculture. You will learn real farming skills through activities like fishing, cattle keeping, goat and sheep rearing, piggery, beekeeping or apiary, among others. We also train you in crop production such as banana growing, vegetable farming and coffee farming, as well as urban farming for those with small spaces. You will gain knowledge in agro-processing, helping you add value to your farm products and increase your income. We are welcoming students for the 2026 intake and registration is ongoing. For more information, please call us on 0772 247488.
Werarenko mwerere nomfarati gw'omutendo kandi nuguhanga omugongo ombero gurukushasha okubiyamaje kigambe bakwecho orkwenda Resform ensi y'ebiroto birungi.
Korkayo mkahumro umuganda makuru Minister Hanuna Kasolo yashababa Kazo District okora namani okutunga sente ngo babase okubingo bworo ebyabigamba obuyabari omjenye mukuru ahamukoro go kujoguza emyaka 52 iyo bukuru MK aishize kandi no kujoguza obushagici obu district ya Kazo yahire President Museveni omukarura kahwire reka turebe ebirukira
obwe harukuburayo bwire buke tukayikakurayizibwa kwa mukuru w'ihanga His Excellency President General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni district ya Kazo ezagwije obushaki kinyamwingi obubamuhira omukarura kahwire bwanyuma yo kumushiko bururu na pasenti ya 9 n'obucweka mushanju n'akatonyezo kamwe kandi aba batandikire no kwiruka okubesere Run for Hope bwanyuma bagizereho kujanja bendwara kwa busha kandi na bwanyuma bagizereho umupira go mukago agati y'eminyeto hamwe n'abebembezi ba Kazo district
no kwija kushaguza emyaka 52 ya General Muhozi Kainerugaba eyashitya umunso mwebare kwetera umugaro mwebare omujenyi witu mukuru inyenda kubanza kukwebaza ahabo kugumana ojwekera kandi norwana RNRM konkano promoting ekibina cha PRU
Turione celebrating MK birthday at 52 kandi celebrating na NRM victory omukaruru akoira ka president ahabo kusinga ihangariona na 99.71%. So nuko mukoro oguryaha
Sam Katugunda chairman LC5 Kazo district na shaba government okubahereza mizi marungi no kubakora rutindo rwo mu bururuma bishozi omungari orukwatanisa district yibanda hamwe na Kazo
byumuranga kanona kwentona tukushaba nuko meza tutabetegereza umukazi avuga twina handi hona ene yaza sose ya mezi tutabetegereza kwatara umukazi Kazo twina mezi hayi na district ye
Kwame Lyondo obiraryo mutebenkanisa w'omukoro ogu asimire President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni hamwe na General Muhoozi Kainerugaba okurinda obusinge bwa Uganda.
NRM na President Museveni kunga 99.71%. Wakahereza. Yini ndigadeo ni twasije mu Uganda ni tonambemo. Echo tawolo kushimerwa imyaka sima mukama abo imyaka 52 General Wait yakize General Utukunda utwine mu matsiko wa future twajyangikati bya remiti umurikazo tandike project eriko n'abantu mwihanga lyo abantu bengi abageni babyaremiti ugandu na byaremiti billioni emwe myaka.
Minister wa Microfinance Haruna Kasoro Cheyune niwajwekire MK nko mugenyi mukuru kandi ogwasimira abanyakazo okukunda ensi yabo kandi na General Muhoozi Kainerugaba okukunda Uganda kandi yayongera yashaba bebembezi okubecho kureberaho.
Chairman wa PLU Adela CDF, the Senior Presidential Advisor on Special Operations, and 2 years ago, njaya twala mukusaguno okutuusa obubaka bwe okusooka kwa byonna okubeebaza mwebale nnyo kwagala nsi yammwe, mwebale nnyo kwagala nsi yammwe. Omuntu bw'aba tamanyi gy'ava kizibu nnyo okumanya gy'alaga.
Minister Kasoro ayongere yashaba abantu bakazo kukora n'amano kutunga sente abwentunguka yihanga kandi nabwanyuma ahire y'obutumwa bwa MK bwa miliyoni 20 cash okubahweraho kujaguza nawo mazarwa ge.
Akimanyi wadde mwine enteekateeka ze muliko wano siza kuteeka mu ssako bakimwe mumanyi naye angambye mbawe mumumanyi so ziwe chief organizer zino ziri 10 na zino 10 naye omwana wa president n'atagenda mu busuubuzi n'atagenda mu mawanga g'ebweru kubeera eyo n'agamba ngenda kubeerawo nina okugenda mu nsiko nina okukuuma ensi yange nina okukuuma ensalo z'ensi nina okukuuma bannayuganda bo beebake ffe tusule mu nsiko. Ekikulu ekyo kyabuzira nnyo era tutendereze nnyo Geno MK.
Ndi Evans Taremwa ahabwa TV West Omurikazo District.
Kabari mnonga Evans. Government ya Uganda ikwatanise ne ya China batongwize project yo kwera empunji eziri kurendurwa mu Uganda kandi eziri kurwa mu mahanga gatari gamwe na gamwe. Project eji eyibayita China Emergency Humanitarian Assistance Project yatongozwe rizoba aha na Chivale Refugee Settlement omurubukanga district ya Isinjiro.
Project ejetongozibwe nyomwebazyo neza kumaraho sente ziri kwingana miliyoni $1 ya sente za America kandi sente ezi no biyambo kurwa mu government ya China.
Uganda friendship.
Project eji neza kubera mu kugabira empunji ziri kuhika emitwaro 26 ebyo kurya bikombe ko mubiri omyanya yibaru kuhikiramu omuza kampu eyana Chivale hamwe na Changwari. Ambassador wa China mu Uganda abiraryo mugenyi mukuru ha mukorogu ajwekile Zhang Xiaoping arukora nka second secretary omu embassy ya China mu Uganda.
By commissioning this distribution, we are ensuring that China's promise is delivered directly into the hands of those in greatest needs. China maintains that conflicts and violence are the root causes of large-scale displacement. The international community should prioritize promoting ceasefires and political settlements and provide stronger support to refugee hosting countries like Uganda.
Senchima Stephen, Deputy Country Director of Fin Church Aid in Uganda, ekitongore kirwo bujunanizibwa bwo kutomu nkora project eji asimire nkoregana nungi eri hagati ya government ya Uganda na China eresero byambobu
nga sente zino tugenda kuzikozesa okugulira emmere abantu emitwalo 26 ba refugees emmere eno egenda kugulibwa oba egenda okugabibwa egenda gabibwa we batuukira aba refugees nga bakatuuka okusobola okubateekera ekitekero ky'okulya ekyamangu kubanga abamu bayise bamaze ennaku nnyingi nga tebalya so emmere eno egenda kugulibwa eteekebwere ku reception center so leero kye tubadde tukola wali kwe kukola omukolo ogw'enjawulo ogw'okutongoza okugaba emmere era tuleese emmere tani 3 ez'emmere mulimu emmere ng'egatibwaddwamu soya n'obulo emmere nesobola okuyamba okuzimba omubiri amangu ba refugees.
Abajenyi abakora ha mukoro ogu nabo basiimira obuhwezi obu.
China Emergency Humanitarian Assistance Project becomes highly relevant. With the sincere appreciation to the People's Republic of China, this project provides timely and critical short-term relief. While it may not address all the existing gaps, it will significantly support government efforts to respond to the current emergency.
Today, Uganda hosts over 2 million refugees from 34 countries, and these figures are not just statistics as they reflect the scale of responsibility that Uganda continues to shoulder on behalf of the international community.
I want to start by saying that Nakivale has been severely affected by the reduction in humanitarian funding. This was the case in 2025 and 2026. And because of this reduction in funding, I want to say that no sector was really spared. All the sectors were impacted, from service delivery to staffing. This also affected the refugees and as well as the host community that we have around this settlement.
Abebembezi ba district ya Isinjiro hamwe n'empunji basimire project eji bagumize nguneza kuyamba munonga kuchendeza ebizubu eby'empunji zitwire nizarabamu.
I thank the government of Uganda under the leadership of His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni for partnering with those countries that those refugees should seek asylum in Uganda and have a good stay in this country. I thank the Office of the Prime Minister in a special way for supporting the refugees who are not only here in Nakivale but all over where they are. I can't take it for granted. The Office of the Prime Minister has contributed greatly towards the development not only of the refugees but also of the host communities.
We are looking forward to see this support impacting the lives of refugees. We thank you and thank you very much.
Gasha kwa Abdu Kalim Sengendo.
Webade Abdu Kalim Sengendo. Aba parental care bushenyi basinziriza National Teachers Debate Network eza primary barabahukuza omid Arusha Tanzania kuritana n'amashomero kurgo mahanga ga East Africa kandi bo habakigezi high school bakwasirogwa kabiri omza secondary bari kusinga Uganda Matters na Mugongo.
Empaka za National Teachers Debate Network ezitwire nizihindira St. Peter's Naria omuri nakawa division omuri Kampala ezizibire zetabirwamo amashomero garu kurenga 37 okwetorira ihanga ryona.
This is the characterization we received from my first speech. From my first speech, we actually tell you that the cultural histories you are going to be forgetting are these bad cultural histories. Things like ignoring girl child education, things like ignoring education for all genders, things like bad cultural practices. We characterize for you what those cultural histories we are forgetting look like. But this then shows you that we are not going to be ignoring.
Parental care bushenyi babandize bazo mukwayana n'amashomero gandi kandi nabwanyuma bahika finals n'ishomero rya Par Junior okurugo mu bushenyi obwo barukwaza nanshonge zibire zirimo okugambaje okwandikaje hamwe n'ebindi.
I thought asking for help would make me weak until I saw my friend crying after therapy. Respected judges, patrons present, teachers, students, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Teta and today I stand before you to speak about a friend of mine.
Nabwanyuma ba parental care bushenyi nabo barangirirwe nk'abasingu zo gundu murundi kandi abeje babo nabo bahangura ebiconco bindi.
Okay, and to this year's champion of TDN 2026, Teachers
nabwanyuma hagiriye impake z'abakuru kandi abakigeze high school babasize kuritana n'abayuganda matazi na mugongo ubwo barukwaza nanshonga eyenkoresa y'emikora ya internet.
Assumption of the fact that even this particular code that we're going to use is wrong and everything. I think given the fact that it's based on your interest and the kind of information you get, they're going to be particularly suited or like tailored towards a particular interest, right? But moving on.
We are trying to stop social media from operating in certain areas or specific areas unless they stop using algorithmic recommendations. And then, what do the algorithmic recommendations look like in the first place?
Bitu nabwanyuma ba Uganda matazi na mugongo barangirirwe nk'abasinguzi kandi abakigeze high school bakwatogwa kabiri.
Drug abuse mu mashomero erione yongera kandi yongera no kongera kusisha amashomero kandi drug ziza zitaho mushomero abashomesa tubakazi kwata abana mbashire ko mugati bashire ko musano izindi bazireta umushaho izindi bazitereka no mpanti ucuburyaho uyu mwana ari mu domtore aza kurgayiza sinze region mutukura.
Winning, it feels so good, especially to the fact that you deliver to the community. We are happy for adding to this country, especially the education system, being able to groom our learners in things that are going to make them the best citizens in the future.
But then with God, everything is possible. God helped us. But then the major problem we had and the challenge was competition was very high. Yeah.
Majorly about my debates. During the debate, would come, sit, have a round, and the judges would always be like, it was a nice round, some silent rounds, they wouldn't even tell us.
Our parents who have allowed us to come here, some parents can say that since their children are this, they should not go for tournaments, that they fear some things, but we thank our parents, like all the debate club, that have helped us come here in this competition, and we also thank them for the prayers that they have sent for us.
Abasinjire nibija ko bane bazo mu mpaka umura arusha Tanzania mu kwamwendo mwakogu kandi ayibararuge barukuza South Africa mu Pretoria okwayana n'amashomero ku rugumura Afrika yona. English gasha kwa Jime Muhumuza umur Kampala.
Webare Jime Muhumuza reka tumireho tugaruka naganda makuru.
Nibikushikibwaho
Chitagata Farm Institute.
Zire nimwe nica kuretera ubuhabuzeri izoba kugira ngo ntukira kutwaza kubi omujware yitu omegambere yitu aha mashomero omukazo gendwa ujwarire kubi abana hati omwe nubasa kutana umishomero ya secondary abana bahendere bakujwire ahabwo mujware yawo kwijojwire mwe nkabena nibushaka kugira ngo deko tosha tujwareje tujwareje nisimo mushimira gor kushanga gahandikire panda ha muryango gatiro ngo kwizizwa kutaha umwishobino na miniskirt woryo mukazi to kwizizwa kutaha mwujwire mpare eco mutakakireba nko mwaga kureka no kugira ngo ekituru kutombana beitu ninga kituru kubenda mu 20 twabata konka kwara turayegesa abane akbara yegese mce abane mce amashomero iyo nko muzire kandi utakijo kabaniyo wijo mwishobiro ne mce mbi no gamba kubi nono bitashazire bikusha kubi ujwire kubi hata hono je kuba wihamwe cyabashomese barukuteko mbana bitu ushanga imico yahindukiro kwetabonera ubuhabuzi ahabyo bwegesi bw'abantu bukukibwaho.
Chitagata Farm Institute. At Chitagata Farm Institute, we offer practical hands-on training in modern agriculture.
Gomba ogutebeka nisibwe ba Swift Initiatives Limited omuchayi kache kambarara ufutandika niburu 26 ebyo kwezi kwa mukaga okwisebura 5 ebyo kwezi kwa mushanju omwakogo aha main gate ne 12 zonka no kureba nyamishwa ne 12 zonka abana b'amashomero aha main gate eshiringira 10 kandi kureba nyamishwa na zone 10 zonka mungena b'amakorera amahango hamwe n'amace abaza banks telecom companies za companies zikora byo kunywa abahinja abatunyi n'abarisa abari kora byo mikono
hariho abari kushubura emyenda enkaito abamabara amahoteli n'abari kosa za mucomo amashomero n'amatendekero mwena ni mwetwa mwije murebe nyamishwa engamiya embarasi uruziramire ubunyankogote maya ugonya nenjeya babuniga abana mwarya face painting swimming pool y'abana bouncing castles rero sakasinse y'umurembe egali yo mweka y'abana uri kwenda kubukinga akasimu noti mushanju ibiri anana mukaga kinana na mukaga
nitukwanjurira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management ishomero ryonka eri cyasingireyo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aharurengo urwa certificate na diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Rero bagaruka bashomesa certificate na diploma in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba ko muntu library eyomurembe computer z'ekikacha higuru kandi byemizano bakabiteka mamanika kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry eyobwegesiye na Ministry of Health kandi bine bus rugogoma eyokutambuza abeji ebyombeko ebyomurembe hamwe no mwanya rugogoma go kushomeramo ebitabo ogurukorebeka kurungi nirishangwa hangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isingiro odakakiro mutahuni ya kaberebere okumanya birukukiraho note mushanju ibiri kaga na mushanju ashatu nibiri kaga nemu Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management, we strive for quality health.
Wota kulise MTN momo no gumirwa okusharamu yetandara okuca mu kugumire kozesa momo app ningashi nyiga *165*3# kushashura nabwanyuma oshemerera kushashurira busha aha bishare bya hansi ya shiringi 15 ago ni gomanyi ga momo.
mubuze buryo omwe cyari kunywa atandikanywa ha billiard
mukama wanje torkwitenga kubuza abantu bona bari miyari papa flavored vodka
niye kwasireyo papa vodka niye kwasireyo iwe gendo girondero zaho hurire tori kuza kunywa kindi muntu we owagikoziro mugusha gurimo enuzire teine munahango watekuteza muto Papa flavored vodka, simple sweet.
Yantore School of Nursing and Midwifery nibetabe jibwena abahereza sini ya kanane ya mukaga kwisha kwehanditsa habwa amashomo ga certificate na diploma ombunasi obzarusa na lab technology omwejero kwenda umwanya oshemero kubushyikiro kubara n'urujungu hamwe n'ebya science iwe kwenda kushoma diploma oshemero kuboyine certificate of nursing na midwifery kandi omazire myaka 2 mu field buri mwezi na hawo mugisha go kushoma gani mashomo ga teknolojia kumwongera umugisha go kuhakanara nyensia nka scanning na sonography lab technologies business na vocational skills na byo bitakwibiri basaries zichiruho mugiro bwira ishomero nirishangwa ryantonde haruguto rwa Kampala Mbarara kandi kuma ibiri kukira hotera no tumushanju 8 mukaga nshanju ni 3 nshanju ni 5 ashatu na 4.
Mommy,
yes,
at school abana babane everyone crunching
nange ku mulimu nga nkola when I'm watching my kazanyo
dabye mbaga ya daddy
anti ku highway nga mvuga sisumagire Joshua
katinage bampacking ile
Honey, mwana muwe. Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Cooking all that makes food sweet. Tastes so good like mama's keys. Sweet Tamasana, yeah. Stir gold is the oil you cooking oil for a tasty meal to live a healthy, happy life. Stir gold, refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
waba tukuzise momo noshanga wajira mbyo kutungana
waire nkumitana ate
bana mama nkwenye kumitano
mbe ompaire kumitano
abantu abakulu mwatandise obuyaye mwena
obuyaye obuliga
iwe
maduka waiboti
sente dange nizade kolera ngo binakolera sente
yitandira okutunga nawe kozesa momo app ninga shinyiga *165*3# kushashura na bwanyima oshemerera kushashurira busha aha bishare bya hansi ya shirinje 50 agoni gomanyiga momo
nizala abana bamaviri agobone
Otwiro inechetengo echokushomo bushaho St Vincent College of Health Sciences Mbarara nibeta beje baheriza senior ya kanana senior ya mukaga abahikira amashomo ga science okwija kushomo bushaho ishomero ryina bashomesa abatendekirweje kandi ryine muri kimwe cyone kiri kwetagisa kushomaje nirishangwa Mbarara kora no rya Kenkombe Hill rwemijina hino ruguto rwa Mbarara Masaka ebiri kukiraho not mushanju munana mushanju not mushanju not ibiri anane ishatu ninga not mushanju not emwe cyende na mukaga 11 25
There's a new way to keep your breath fresh all day. Introducing Movit All Day Toothpaste, meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal. And the herbal delivers natural strength for healthy, confident smiles. Choose Movit All Day Toothpaste and enjoy freshness all day.
Kurukaho mukahumuro rukutekatekwaho uko mwana empitezo hasendishirwa mchome echangwe cha kukuru mitoma mpaka 2011 byo kwa mukaga 2026 ogunatekatekwaho kwenda kwito mwana ho warumukisho warukurabira mugabura empitezo
Koto muri mitoma ekurirwe Chief Magistrate Gideon Muhanji etandikire kurro rubanja rw'omukazi tushabomwe Juliet ow'emyaka 30 omutura wa Rwibale Cyanzire omuri Kashenshe Mitoma orukugambwa kuba yahinduire gabo okugaburira omwana wali mukishe empitirizo niwasindikirwa mu kihome okusya 2011 kwa mukaga omwaka ogu obukotera agaruke kurro kwehozaho kwe
at Rwibale Mitoma district intentionally and unlawfully forced Akamumpa Samuel swallow 49 pieces of sewing needles and pieces of broken particles of pen.
Obujurizi obwahebwa y'umuhorereza wa government omwana ogu bakamushanga mu empitirizo anana mukaga nebicweka by'ebishoshonkore by'akacumu ka bik
said that the victim is still hospitalized in Mbarara Regional Hospital.
Abebembezi n'abatura bajumirira ekikorwa eki kandi bashaba koti okumuhereza ekifubiro kiri kwingana n'ekya Okero orubanja kururahize ku musinga.
It is alleged that Shawo Juliet between the month of August 2025 and 28th April 2026 at Rwibale village in Mitoma district attempted to cause death of Akamumpa Samuel.
Arabire muntu murungi wabahurire ahabo kubica mandiki yakoze rokera kwita abana babandi kandi ari umuzire muri nsaba koti egizeho muhezi kifubiro ehereza kifubiro ekishemiye ogumukazi akamuhe umwana kwata umwana wabandi wamukiba akamuhereza impituruzo urire kumpirira umwana muzina agamba ngo impituruzo bamuhira impituruzo anana mwenda nahora naho mani ngo muzire
eshongejo yonko muntu kunchurire nko mwebembezi kandi nko muzire yankora kubi munonga nareba kirye kintu kibi munonga ahabo mukazogwe no babiremba mureto mukoti nawe nkabira hicura umwana nayebuza hatuwe nko mukazi kahicura umwana kayashangire mukiba uri yo mwana na wamusigireho kata kumanya nsonga ezasigiseho mukiba umwana
atogwo mukazi wena Christopher Okero bona tibine ntanusu bona nabasana uriya nubwo ari yakwasire bari yakabita live kunga hatuwogu nureba ngo abena yenda kwitara hansi nabasa kwita kuba ninga siyisirena nabar kurenga hari yabo
obwa hato mwana ogu ariyo mu irwariro ryambarara rufaro naragurizibwa gasha kwa Ben Muhozi
Webere Ben Muhozi district ya Bushenye hingwize budget ya billioni 2 mwaka 2026 kandi sente nyinji bazitira mu kushashura imishara y'abakozi budget eji hechendire kurgaha billioni na buhumbi 28 kuzabuhumbi 26
District ya Buhweju yahisemya ki 17 tungere district kandi binjo mu bantu nibagera ngo hakire ntunguka erimunekorwa nerebwa Francis Nwajuna orukukurira akachiko k'ebyesenta bwa district eji nagira ngo budget yo mwakogu echendire kandi ka district ngo tubashemerirwe
district ya Buhweju echendire kurugabo abuhumba 28 yagarika abuhumba 26 echeresere echo nesente za gift project ya gift yarigireho ebene supporting amashomero gombe kamashomero ga senior no supporting micro scale irrigation kandi budget ejo kwa yimukchendera abahinji binji bayetagire kutunga kuba supported mu kwitarire bihingwa byabo mwene nkiza garike nyuma kandi government bintu kina amashomero minji go kombeka amagumba ragatine amashomero ga secondary mwenu bayimukchendera kwa budget amagumba ragatabe gatakatunjire hato mu mwaka gustwira mwishimiro rya secondary kuzakombekwa
sente nyinji bazitiro mu kushashura imishara aharyaba barukoro mu mashomero hamwe n'amarwaro
tetwa himbuza sente nyinji zo mishara y'abakozi mu kucumanya government reza kongera abakozi ba arts umushara mu government y'umwaka mu budget y'umwaka ukwija so budget zingizigiro naka sente zigiro umushara ezindi zaza conditional grants
Deo atuhire chairman w'entebe ya katano asimire bakansara bw'enkwatanisa nungi eyibabire bino mu kutungura Buhweju
Ngor buto katagata ekikorijo turukozire orubuto nka Rvenje Kayonza turukozire orubuto nanka muti nyakitaraka turukozire
urwego mwaka gwa politics uri umwaka gwo kugaruka mu karuru ubundi nyitunka politician twabura mu time yo kumonitaringa ba technical people
omuganda makuru kanso ya district ya Rubirizi esibwiro yose ra chairman w'entebe ya katano kandi aba bamusimire abwo koraje kanso eji hona niye birerye ya muheru ahabwenchero y'obwebembezi bw'emyaka 5 ehingwire kanso eji ebandiza yahinguza budget ya billioni 3 bw'umwaka gw'ebyesente ogw'2026 kandi bamwe batugambira ko baragikoretse
tumaze kurango twa promotinga iby'uburambuzo mu district ya Rubirizi twa promotinga sports kandi hato ngambira twine team zitu z'abana zirenze kwa ko munonga nationals nezinde z'abapira zirenze kuza nationals so noreba ngwitwe mu youth ngezo munonga twarobija n'abana bitu abariyo mbazamba baktwara skill hubs kuranga ngo babasha kubana babangura
ikizimbe cyombekerwe kanso y'gerugeraho bembirwa chairman kandi tureba ko bwinji bw'enguto zigwirwe zo kufidinga mu myanya atari yemwe tureba burgombora health center 3 icyabe kitariho ku rw'inyuma
nabwanyima habireho kucacyanca ubwo barukusimo biroro chairman w'entebe ya katano aguba shongorera Sylvester utarabasize kusinga karuru akahwire ago bashongorera Sylvester omubigambo bye ayorekera obusasi ahabwe by'abanyarubirizi bamwihireho atakamazi
kina yenda kamadene kintaji kimwe no manya nijabwa cyamani abantu bakabona babona ngo tubakuza bushinga naya tuno nitego kombika koti kugire kote yetu abantu bagume bahoreza n'abato bashangu kabazizo bashangu najikora nagiritse twino magistrate n'state atone ichansa sajero steka bire complete
aguba shongorera Sylvester abiraye bembire district ejo kumara enchuri 2 kandi akija kusingwa Obed byakureka omukarura kahwire gasha kwa Juliet Charsima na Onesimus Ndianabo
mwebere abashatse bituma makuru kandi mugabye mzano timu y'ishomeri ya Holistic Junior School kurwo mu Rubutereko mu district ya Mitoma nemwe amashomero agakoze kurujo mu mpaka za Father Grimes National Chess Championship kandi zhendire nyiciro ahari Intare School muri Mbara Holistic kwasire cha kabiri homzabojo yagaraka yakwate cha kashatu omzabishi heza Uganda yona.
Thank you.
abazana bahwerire timu ya Holistic Junior School ya Mitoma okwata umwanya gwa kabiri omumpaka za Father Grimes National Schools Chess Championship ezhereze biro bitana hari Intare School omurmbara barmu Victor turyasingura osingiro mudarwe zabo omukwayano kwa bodi ya kashatu na Augustine turyatemba osingire zabo mu bodi ya kana rero agabanga bokamugisha ahireyo mudarwe feza omu bodi yo kubanza ombojo aba basingirwa ishomere rya Sister Mariam Dugan Primary School eya Kampala omubishi Holistic ebire inechikopo cha Uganda yona bakwasira omwanya gwa kashatu barukwizera nyuma ya Peak Junior School kwasire cha kabiri kandi Sister Mariam Dugan Primary School ni yesinjire mpakezi
itekaba Mitoma twakoraje twaba abakabiri omubojo aba primary kandi omugisha aba primary twaba abakashatu overall mu kandi abana bitu nangwa bafuna gold medals ahabwa bodies
impression mirgo munonga abo kubo akabira body 1 in open chess champions now kandi nafuna silver medal ekweka ngunandio wakabiri
empakeza senior zisingirwa ba St Henry's College Tovu abegarurize zabojo ahabwo munundo gwa kashatu bekuratanise kutware chikopo bwanyume kutungo bonera bruna mwenda kandi abakuratirwe St Mary's College Subi ekwasire cha kabiri ombishchi wampe ontake ni yesingire chikopo kandi Mero Hill High School yambara ekwasire omwanya gwa kana empakezi bireze tabrwa mabeje 12 okurgo mutimo 220 ezibirenze rugo mashomeri Rigana chenda kandi zibirene zishajikwa aba Vision Group ndi Edwin Ram ahabwa TV West AGACENCWIRE
webare Edwin Ram omumpaka zimotoka eza Pearl of Africa ezatandikira izoba muri Mbara hamwe na Kiruhura habavuji okurwo mahanga nka Uganda Kenya Tanzania Rwanda na Burundi bayerekana mani omumpaka ziri kuza kweze biro bibiri omuri Ankole
okwayano kwerizoba okwempaka za Pearl of Africa kwaba kuryo mbicweke bya Kiruhura aho abavuji babanza kuvuga stages 3 zo kubanza ezirimo Charles Muhanji Kaguta hamwe na Ankole Cow na bwanyuma aba bazo mukwayano ko kwetorore chayi okwabingi barukumanya nka super special stage okwaba hari mwese gwa resort aho abavuji okurugo mu Uganda Kenya Tanzania Rwanda na Burundi babana barita Rob Bonero obwahande ngo zitari zimwe na zimwe ezirimo NRC ya Uganda hamwe na ARC ya Africa empakezi izo baryo kubanza za hendero munyakenya Saman Vora azebembire omuhinde na Ven Peregira aryo mu cyakabiri rero Yasin naso munya Uganda we yararo mu cyakashatu bona aba barukhayanuro rengo rwa ARC kandi we Randep Singh omunyakenya na Yasin naso munya Uganda barara nabwo bebe mbiro rengo rwa NRC
ono datingo unane nyenda aha mu double circuit omurundo go kubanza yavugaje ogwa kabiri tingu meye cyabaho abukonyowe nko munya Uganda nko munya Kiruhura nimba nimpagiro witora hihi umunyabwera wanore motoke handikira ho bwera na nimpagira sodo konko murundo bwa kabiri tingma yawa yahaba yayabata
twaliza wempaka nonginyo bana Uganda tugenda kuteka competition y'amanyi abasajja bayine motoka za manyo kusinga koko na ina fetu zina
idanka ni wadabuzemu wali na chama nawe tamu musiko naye sofa cye twakalaba ke motoka zitamude bulungi
tuza kureba emotoka z'empaka twashemerera kandi zaba nungi abana bavugaje mu
empakezi ezirukwija kuhendera izobe rya nyenchakare nizihayanurwa stages ezikuhika 12 ezino buringwa bwa kilomita 500 ndi Edwin Ram ahabwa TV West AGACENCWIRE omuri Kiruhura
okon ko twabasa kwendera makuru AGACENCWIRE n'ebyemizano kandi wanagakusiona abantu Mbabazi Charity ninyenda kwendeza weekend nungi otarga TV West.
Eshaha zabishatu zechiro na when you don't use Momo, you get insulted by strangers. Save yourself from insults. Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5K. That's the power of Momo. Ukumbereba ne kuchiwaho
oyinembogoka naba mulungi ayibambe nekolera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje
program ukumbereba musibireje abana amucumuro mwebare kwija mukama naye bare okubarinda mwerinda batugu mwerinde kutambura ecuro kandi